Всем привет! My name is Tommasomich and welcome to my new Russian lesson. I'm going to introduce now the accusatives and the accusative case, the first case of the Russian language, and one of the most common and simple cases of the Russian language. We have different genres of names, masculine, feminine, and neutral. And then we have the plural, which is from the masculine and the feminine, and the nominative case is both the same, and but in neutral is different. The same thing is different from hard and soft. Why hard and soft? Because we have the end of the word and of the word that is different between masculine, soft and hard, feminine, hard and soft, and neutral, hard and soft. I can you explain yet. We have only in consonant for the masculine hard. We have only consonant. So a word that doesn't finish with a vowel, such as stool, that means table, and in the soft version we have three versions of the hand of the word that can be мелкий и краткое, also named as soft E, and there's a soft E with semicircular sign over it, and E краткое, E. Yes, so one single word with just three endings. One, the word мелкий is преподаватель. That means teacher, but not teacher of the university. That's professor. Yeah. Yes. And this teacher so of the school, excluding the university. With играткие we have музей, that means museum, and with играткие there's for example sanatorium, but I don't know what it means, but there is. For example, in feminine we have a of the hard ones, and ya and мелкий знак in the soft ones. For example, улица with a, the ending is a, that means street. With ya, there's for example тятя, that means aunt, like the brother of the uncle, the wife of the uncle. And мелкий знак, I don't know any words. Maybe писатель, that is no, писатель not. Площадь, that is площадь is the space where I don't know exactly the word in English. Maybe is I'm gonna search. That is square. bullshit is square. And in the neutral, well, the ending in O for the hard and Y for the soft one. So for the R1, so with O, we have, for example, the word akno, that means window. And we have kolso also, that means ring. And for example, with yeah, we have moria, that means sea. So we are going on with the accusative case. The accusative case can, as in other languages, can describe the object complement, the complement object. So the object of the phrase, we have subject, verb, and object. The object is in Russian, like in other languages, for example, German. Like in German, we have this changed to cases, and the object is like accusative. Yes, we have, for example, with hard masculine is masculine inanimate. We will speak now about inanimate cases. That is equal and the nominative. So, for example, the word stole that we have just said before, stole means table, and so stole is stole. Also in the accusative case, we have these two differences between inanimate and animate things only in the masculine and the neutral. In the feminine, no. I don't know exactly why, but there's this difference. With inanimate, I mean things that don't move, they don't have heart, that is boom, 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 boom. So, for example, us people and animals, we use the animate things. For example, inanimate use the question что, written like ch, so ch, the, or. Da. And the animate have the question kavo, written like K-O-V-O. Yes. K-O-V-O. Da. Then, so we're seeing that masculine and neutral inanimate at the singular and the singular will have the same as in nominative plural and nominative. The animate are going to be different here is between hard and soft. Hard and soft, like before. Hard and soft. For the hard is the ending is a, and the soft the ending is ya. For example, student это student по-английски. In English is student. Студента. Потому что студент, why student is the student is a person, not an object that we use all day, but student is an object. And for example, писатель for the soft, for the soft case, pisatil, that means writer. Pisatil ended in ya, ends in ya. Pisatilya. Then, for example, we have ulica, tiotia, stranicia. So there are three notes. Ya, iya, mjokizna. The endings of the plural, of the feminine suffix. For example, ulica, the ending is ulicu, so the ending is with u. And then tiotia and stranicia, stranica at the page, stancia is at the room, angliski, in English. So you, the ending is you. In both cases, they eliminate the ya and the ya, also in the iya, so that the first e in iya remains the e, and we eliminate the ya, let them forget about your minds, and we put you, and but not in plural. Plural is feminine, inanimate. But this is the only case we have like in the nominative in the feminine case. there are many also differences from the style here. We have mat, mother, imia, name, aput, I don't know what does this mean. That are same equal as equal as the nominative case. That's the accusative singular. In the next video, we're talking about the accusative plural. So, podcast, like it, and share with your friend what you want, and comment on the video or contact me on Gmail. So, tommasomich 2000 at gmail.com. Bye.